Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here unboxing my new gadget that has come from Flipkart, and this is video making kit AY-49. As you can see, the packing is really well done, and let's see what's inside. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See, everything is packed compartment-wise. You get this wire which helps you to connect the microphone with your mobile, and this is the smart mobile holder. The tripod stand, which is really handy and light in weight. You can use it as a mini stand or a tripod stand also, which I'll show you later. This is the Bluetooth connector to take mobile pictures. This is the microphone and the flashlight. The flashlight will require 3 pencil batteries, and you have the on-off button on top. Now we'll attach each and every part so that we see if the complete picture is made or not. We are attaching the smartphone holder. This is the knob with which we can rotate. And here we can open the tripod stand and use it as per our requirement. This is the Bluetooth connector with which we can take pictures, and here there are 2 keys. That's one for the Apple iPhone and the Android phone. The microphone is really good and can be very easily attached to the flashlight. This is another tripod stand that I have been using, and I really like it because of its flexible nature. You can see how we can use it as per our wish. So here we have done the setup full, and you can see how it looks like. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Till then, bye-bye.